The formed floor pan is positioned inside the massive robotic body frame fixture. Workers then manually lock the precision clamps before the automated welding begins.
Inside Kanye West's $10 million luxury armored limousine factory. How his presidential limo is made.
The custom-built drivetrain rises into position beneath the reinforced steel structure. Securing it requires specialized tools and meticulous attention to detail.
Inside Kanye West's 10M luxury armored limousine factory. How his presidential limo is made.
Precision is paramount here. As the robotic arm secures the door, the fit must be absolutely flawless for this $10 million presidential design. The primed limousine body travels through a controlled curing oven. The body is now fully primed and ready for the signature deep black luxury finish. The fully cured body enters the final paint booth. Here, robotic arms apply the deep black base. Welcome inside the $10 million presidential limousine factory, where raw materials are transformed into an ultra-luxury, bulletproof sanctuary. The freshly coated black luxury limousine enters the curing tunnel. Monitored by technicians, the paint sections. Here in the finishing bay, the cured paint undergoes meticulous correction. Technicians use specialized dual-action polish.